I'm Brittany with WTI, and having a microwave may seem like a simple thing, but having a good microwave makes all the difference.
And that's why I appreciate this Commercial Chef 1.1 cubic feet microwave. It is 21 by 16 by 11, and it fits perfect in our little cubby that's in our kitchen, and it is so roomy on the inside. It's so easy to use. You just have the timer, put in the amount of seconds if it isn't a quick one, choose the power level, and you can easily add 30 seconds if you need more time. My favorite feature is the beep. It is not loud, long. It cooks your food so evenly and efficiently. It's got all of these preset buttons, like for potatoes, popcorn. It even has one for beverage, that when you hit it, it selects a power level and a time. And I think it did a perfect job, so you don't have to guess. It even has a reheat button if you're just reheating rice or noodles, anything like that. Again, you can add 30 seconds if you need. The clock was so easy to set up. You can do a 12 or 24-hour set, and then you just hit the start button. It's got a turntable, so roomy, and I love how it has smooth edges, so it's actually really easy to clean. When you do get a little bit of food splatter, all the smooth edges from top to bottom really makes caring for it so easy.
And that's my point of view.